The DJI Flip redefines aerial photography and vlogging with its beginner-friendly design, advanced features, and all-in-one capabilities. Whether you're capturing majestic landscapes or daily adventures, this drone promises to elevate your creative storytelling. Let's unbox and dive into its standout features. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Unboxing experience. The DJI Flip is as exciting as flying it. Here's what's inside the package. DJI Flip drone with its compact, foldable design. Full coverage propeller guard for enhanced safety. USB-C cable for seamless charging and connectivity. Quick start guide to get you flying in minutes. DJI RC2 remote controller for precise control and advanced flight features. Right from the packaging, it's clear that the DJI Flip is crafted for convenience and accessibility, especially for first-time drone users. Key features. Foldable full coverage propeller guard safety meets portability with DJI Flip's innovative propeller guard. Its foldable design ensures easy transport, while the full coverage feature protects beginners from mishaps. Palm takeoff mode. No remote? No problem. The palm takeoff feature lets you launch the drone effortlessly by simply opening the propellers. It's intuitive and perfect for quick captures on the go. AI subject tracking. Stay in the spotlight with AI-powered subject tracking. Whether you're running, cycling, or posing, DJI Flip locks onto you like a personal cameraman. Quick shots modes. With 6 creative quick shots: droney, circle, rocket, spotlight, helix, and boomerang. The Flip automatically films cinematic footage without requiring expert piloting skills. 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor. Capture every detail with a 48-megapixel camera powered by a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor. From vibrant landscapes to intricate close-ups, the image quality is stunning. 4K/60 frames per second HDR video. Whether it's a sunrise, sunset, or anything in between, the Flip preserves every nuance in 4K HDR quality. The results are lifelike and awe-inspiring. Compact and lightweight. Weighing under 249 grams, the Flip is travel-friendly and doesn't require certification or training to fly in most countries. 31-minute max flight time. Forget battery anxiety. With up to 31 minutes of flight time, you can focus on capturing your best moments. DJI RC2 remote controller. The DJI RC2-8 enhances your flight experience with its ergonomic design, smooth controls, and intuitive interface. Its integrated screen provides real-time visuals, allowing you to capture shots with unmatched precision. Design and build. The DJI Flip impresses with its sleek and foldable design. The full coverage propeller guard is both functional and aesthetic, providing a sense of security for novice flyers. Its lightweight build ensures portability without compromising durability, making it the perfect drone for adventures. Performance. From wide-angle landscapes to immersive close-ups, the DJI Flip excels across scenarios. The AI tracking and quick shots make capturing complex shots effortless. During our tests, the Flip performed exceptionally in aerial photography, smooth footage with rich details in 4K HDR, urban exploration, effortless navigation through tight spaces. Vlogging. Its lightweight design and palm control make on-the-go shooting a breeze. Whether you're using it for professional work or personal vlogs, the DJI Flip delivers consistent, high-quality results. Conclusion. The DJI Flip lives up to its promise of being an all-in-one vlog camera drone. With its innovative features, robust design, and ease of use, it's perfect for beginners and seasoned creators alike. Priced competitively, it offers incredible value for anyone looking to elevate their storytelling. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity Technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.